Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I thought I'd make a video talking about why using all the time frames like in sync, so like from the higher time frame all the way down to 1 hour, is so important to understand whereabouts the market is and whereabouts the market's going to go. So I'm so out of breath because every time I go up to make a video I run up the stairs and now I can't breathe. But yeah, I've been trading for a year and I think 3 or 4 months, and over the last few months, I've really started to understand how the time frames are so important when you're trading. And yeah, this is kind of the method I do to kind of figure out where the market is and where the market's looking to go in future. And I made the analogy before, it's kind of like a needle in a haystack, where the current price is the needle and all the market from existence to now is like the haystack, and you're trying to pinpoint whereabouts you are. And I feel like using all the way from the 12 months to now is how I've been doing that. So what I do, I start from the 12 month, go down to the 6 month, to the 1 month, to the week, to the day, to the 8, to the 4 hour, and just work my way down to the time frame I'm comfortable trading. So yeah, so I start on the 12 month, and you see I basically just copy. So say here, I do a line, I copy and paste it, then paste it up, and all the lines are parallel to each other, what I do with this. So this is the 12 month, so then I went down to the 6th month. But yeah, just picture right now, if you were trying to think, okay, whereabouts is the market, this is what I would do. So then I'd go down to the 6th month, and you see within this pattern, there's all these little patterns, but we've just broken out of this pattern. So price now is looking to, obviously it's gonna take a long time to get there, like I'm talking years to get up here, but it's been years it's stuck in this pattern, but it's broken out of here last year. So then if we then go down to the 3 month, it looks really messy, but within this bit of price action there's so many different patterns, and I just love like finding the patterns and drawing on. And what I do, I just every day I've been going down each pair and just doing this like analysis, so I have them all analysed at some point. So then again go down to the month, and you'll see within that price action there's all this pattern, so a pattern there. And that's why when you have to use all the time frames, because if you're just using one and you see a green candle, you don't know whether that green candle's going up to then go down to form or it's in with a pattern. Like you have to like understand the patterns. So then if we then go down to the weekly, you then see within this like thing there's all these little patterns. And again, so we broke out of that massive pattern, and now we've just broken out of this pattern. So price is looking to go up, but it might come down, but it breaks out of this pattern. But at the moment it's looking to go up because it's still within this pattern, and we've broken out of them 2 big patterns. So all the time frames, the way I see it, the more time frames I use, the bigger confluence I have to where price is looking to go. So then go down again to the daily, and you again see all the patterns. And I find that because I've just stared at the chart constantly, I'm able to see these patterns. But at the start, I probably struggle to see this, but just from staring at the chart so often, I'm able to see the patterns now. So like I said, we're in this bigger pattern, and yeah, so there's all these little patterns within this pattern, there's a pattern here, and then little patterns within that pattern. So go down to 8 hour, so we're in this pattern, and then there's all these little patterns. So price is, so this is the way I kind of see it. Again, I don't know where price is going to go, it's just what I believe in my theory price will go, but I still think price is looking to go further up here because we're still in this big pattern, so price is looking to go up. Whereas before, if you weren't looking at the patterns, I feel like a lot of people, and even me sometimes, would see, because if we then go down to the 4 hour, you see this and think, oh my god, I want to get loads of sales, so it's going to go down here. But like, we're still in this pattern, we need to wait for it to break out of this pattern, but it's probably going to come down here, then bounce, then go up. Because it's kind of like Elliott wave theory in a way, I think, like the waves. So yeah, we're in this mini pattern at the moment. So then if I then go down to the 1 hour, you then can see. So do you see what I mean? Like using all the time frames sequentially. I think I said that word wrong. But now I know that price is looking to continue up because I've seen all the big time frames. But if I was just on the hour time frame, I would just be so confused. But for me, I would wait for this to break out of this structure here, and then if I only trade, the lowest I go is an hour, but then you could even go down to the 15-minute and find all the mini patterns within the, like here's a mini pattern. So yeah, if I was to see this to bounce and then come down, let me quickly draw it, sorry. So now that it's bounced here, if it came up and start to form this pattern to go up, I would be looking to get in somewhere here, but I would prefer to do that on the hour time frame. Just wait for it to break out of here. But yeah, I hope that helps anyone like understand a bit better. Obviously, there's different strategies to trade the market, but this is just something I've been doing that's just really helping me. It's from the Falcon FX course I learned. But even now, I'm looking like, do you see how crazy the market is? It's like in rhythm with each other, because then within this pattern here, remember we're in a pattern within a pattern within a pattern within a pattern. So in this pattern here, there's more patterns, and then within that little pattern here, there'll be another pattern. So if I just literally, oh crap, sorry. If I just scroll this way, remember we're on the hour time frame. Like, see, there's a pattern here, and then within that pattern, there's more. That sums up my life. But the whole market is basically just patterns. Yeah.